everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update on this wig that I've been rocking for the past, I think it's been 3 weeks now. This is the first time that you guys are seeing me do a wig review and coming back to give you guys an update on that same wig that I reviewed. Let's go ahead and get into this update. This wig is from, I think it's Sailk on Amazon. I've been saying it like that, so I'm really not too sure. But I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as my review, and I will put that in the cards. So make sure you guys check out my review video about this wig if you haven't. But since I've been wearing this wig so much, I definitely wanted to get back on here and tell you guys and update you guys about the wig, the condition of the wig, and all of that stuff. Now, I installed the wig on December 18th. Today is January 10th. Now, I must say, in between that time, I have probably taken the wig off maybe 3 times, and I have washed it maybe 2 times, and in between that I think once I co-washed it. So I have recently washed this like a couple days ago, and it's the first time that I put it on my hair. I really haven't worn this wig since January 1st. I haven't worn it since January 1st, and it's January 10th. So I did wash it, and I just put it on last night. And this is how it's looking. I brushed it out, but this is how it's looking. And it's really soft, y'all. Like, I don't know if it's the conditioner and stuff. Well, I'll let you guys know the shampoo and stuff that I use to wash it. But as far as the wig itself, I really do like it. Like, this definitely is one Amazon wig that I have gotten that I absolutely love. Like, I'm really impressed by this wig. I really do like it. I don't like how I styled it today, but that's whatever. But I really do like this wig, and it's been really coming in handy. Like, I really do like it. The parting space, I don't know. I think I mentioned in my review, but I'll mention again. The parting space is absolutely like, I love it. I love it so much. It took me a while to finally pluck because there's no need for me to pluck. I didn't pluck around the hairline. I more so plucked a part, but not too much. So I did pluck a little bit, but again, not too much. There is shedding, of course. Once you start plucking, there's shedding. But I just noticed there was shedding throughout the days when I brushed the hair out. This was curly hair. So of course, when you brush curly hair, it's like detangle. So I have my brush, so I will show you guys all the hair because I haven't taken the hair out because I wanted you to see the shedding of the hair. But I mean, that's pretty much normal. It's nothing I can do about that. I did state in my review that kind of sucks. You just want to have some hair that doesn't shed sometimes. But it's life, it's gonna happen. But I mean, it's not shedding drastically like it's all over the floor. It's really not. So that's that. But aside from that, like, it's really has held up for 3 weeks. So I will keep it in a little bit longer, but the problem is I have 2 wigs that I have 2 more wigs I need to review. One of them I've had since December, and I just got the other one, and then I need to put twists back in my head for reviewing purposes. So I will be snatching this wig off very, very soon. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys the brush with the hair so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So here is my brush with all of this hair from this wig. Like, I'm gonna take it out, so don't worry. But this is all the hair from the wig from 3 weeks. So, I mean, this much out of 3 weeks. Like, that's crazy. So, real quick before I close out the video, the shampoo and conditioner that I use to wash it is the OGX Extra Strength Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil. Coconut Miracle Oil shampoo and conditioner. So I really think this is why the hair is so soft, because I mean, it's super soft. And then times when I brush it out, if I want kind of a wet look or just put the curls back in, of course I wet the wig, but I also use my Herbal Essence Body Envy Volumizing Mousse to put in there. And then, of course, I use the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, Wave Whip curling mousse, kind of to lay down my hair a little bit and also to swoop my baby hairs. So those are the products that I have been using for this wig. But like I said, y'all, I really do love this wig. So if you are looking for a really cute curly wig like this, I mean, I'm sure you'll like it better after it's brushed out or in its natural state. I mean, I liked it in the natural state, but once you start brushing it out and stuff and have to wash it, it's not gonna look the same. But if you really do like short, curly wigs, you know, that you can puff out like this and stuff, I highly recommend this one, like no lie. I really do. Go ahead and check out their Amazon store and purchase you this wig. If you like it, go ahead and purchase it, okay? And if you do a review on it, let me know because I want to see how it looks on you. But I really do love this wig. Definitely will be going back to it whenever. I'm going back to twist, so it's gonna be a little while. But out of all the Amazon wigs that I've gotten so far, this is number one. This is number one. I really do like it, and I've gotten so many compliments on it as well, so that's how I know it works for your girl. That's how I know. But that is it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys this update. Once again, it has been 3 weeks since I've been wearing this wig, and it still looks good, looks really good. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family, share with your friends, and of course, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.